Hello and welcome back, Math Masters. Today I'm going to teach you a game called Greater or Less Guess. You will only need one deck of cards, and basically each player is going to need a set of cards, ace through 10, for the numbers 1 to 10. Aces are going to equal 1 in this game. So you're going to start with 2 players, and again, each player needs cards ace through 10. That is for each player. Aces equal 1, and you can remove all of the picture cards. You don't need them for this game. And now I'm going to teach you how to play Greater or Less Guess. Okay, so for Greater or Less Guess, I have my 2 piles for each player, and each child gets a set of cards ace through 10. So if you turn them over and you look at them, I have them ordered from ace to 10. So it doesn't matter the color or the suit as long as they have a card representing each number, and this person has the same thing. So the first player selects a secret card from his or her hand and places it face down. Now I'm going to show you what that card is, but the other person wouldn't be able to see. So it is a 5. So they put that face down. The second player is going to try to guess what the number on this card is by selecting a card from his or her hand and placing it face up. Then the first player tells them whether the secret card is greater or less than the face-up card, and by that answer, the second player continues to make guesses by selecting and showing different cards until he or she has discovered the secret value of this card. Okay, so we know what this card is, right? But this person would not know. So they take out a card and they say, is your card greater or less than this? And this person, knowing it's a 5, would say, my card is less than your 8. So then they would say, okay, less than the 8. Let's try a 7. Is your card greater or less than the 7? And they could say, my card is less than the 7. So then maybe the person would try another card that's less than the 7, and they would try a 5. And then the other person would have to say, oh, you guessed my secret card. And this person then guessed the value of the secret card. Now, the way you win this game is you keep points. And if this person guesses the secret value within their 3 tries, you get 3 tries, then you get a point. Once this round is over, you switch, and this player guesses while this player has the secret card, okay? Now, let's say this person didn't guess the 5, and when they were trying to guess, and this person said their card was less than a 7, they chose a 2, then this player would have to say, no, my card is greater than your 2. If this person hadn't used all 3 of their tries, they could guess again with another card that has a greater value than 2. But if they had already had their 3 guesses, that would be it. Their turn is up. This person then flips over their card and tells them what the secret value was. And then this person does not get a point for that round because they didn't guess the card in their 3 tries. And that is how you play Greater or Less. So that was Greater or Less Guess. As I said, in this game, you need to keep track on maybe a separate piece of paper on who is able to guess by their 3rd guess. And whoever guesses by the 3rd guess or before the 3rd guess gets a point. And at the end of all of your rounds, the person with the most points wins. That was Greater or Less Guess. I will see everyone next week for a brand new Math Masters card game. Bye!